Hi everyone. Welcome to Mom and Son Cooks. Today, we have made Kankodi ki sukhi sabji. Heat to TBSB mustard oil on high flame till hot. Add 1 pinch Panchporan on low flame. Turn the flame high again. If Panchporan started to burst, add potatoes and Kankodi on high flame. Stir nicely for 10 to 12 seconds on high flame. Now, cover it on high flame for 10 to 12 seconds. Open it and stir again on low flame. Add to TBSB salt. Add 1 TBSB Jeera Powder. Add 1 TBSB Turmeric Powder. Stir again and it will be ready in 2 to 3 minutes. Let's check it. You are delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.